Hi, it's Wolfie and Charlene. So today it's a look inside the vehicle. One of the most important elements inside is the control panel. So I'm going to explain what we have over here. So right over the closet door is the control panel, and you'll see there is a check for all of the different levels. For, let's start from the bottom, LPG for the gas. So you can see that's on empty. That doesn't mean it's really empty, but it's at the lowest setting. So we need to fill that up. That's very critical. So when we give the vehicle to anybody that takes on the road, we make sure it's full, and then we'll fill it back up later. Battery is ideally very full. So if I click that one, it's on full, and you notice that it wobbles a little bit because I actually accidentally pushed LP. So if I don't have fat fingers, with the thin finger I get to the F. That's what you want to see. The battery should be full. The next one is fresh water. That's our water that comes in the tank. It's not the city water connection. So if I click that one, I also see that's full. That's wonderful. Black water is on 1/3, and that's actually on default. When we get the vehicle ready, we always put a little bit of water in the black water tank so that everything can dissolve. So that's a good thing to do. And then we put the little tablets in to get this whole chemical, biological part going. The last one to point out is the gray tank, and that's empty. That's good. So the gray tank is actually the biggest one. It has 35 gallons. The black tank is smaller. It has, I think, 15 gallons. Fresh water is, I think, 25 gallons. And then the LPG has 50 pounds. So that's a lot of gas. And yeah, so those are the levels here. The other button is for the pump, and the pump is actually our water pump. So when this is on, then you can actually pump water, whether you're on the landline or on battery. You need the pump on unless you have a hose connected to city water. Then you can turn this off. But the moment I turn water on over here, you can hear that the pump starts running. That's normal, and it will make possibly some noise like something like that. Okay, yeah, that's funny. I'm not good at imitating the pump. Okay, the next one over to the very right is our water heater. If you want to take a shower, you need hot water in the sink. You need to turn that on a little bit ahead of time. It takes a little while to heat up. So if you do this a half hour ahead of time, you should be okay. And then you can keep that off. Otherwise, there's also a reset that I don't think we have ever used. So in this case, it's on again. You just turn it off and on, and it comes back if you ever hit the reset button on accident. The last one to point out is the generator. The generator produces enough power for the AC unit, which is over here, and I'll show you that later. It's over here on this side. The AC unit takes a lot of power, up to 20 amps, so you want to run a generator, because other appliances like the refrigerator and the microwave also take a lot of power. You do not want to run the microwave and the AC at the same time using the generator. So to turn the generator on, you have to push the start button and hold it for a little while, and you notice that it did not turn on. Why is that? Because we have not turned on the gas. The gas has to be on in order for the generator to run. So I will go outside and turn the gas on, and then we start the generator.